In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your iPad Air 6th generation. Very easy, let me show you. So first thing, we need to wake up the iPad and find the App Store. Should look just like this one. Tap on it. First time you open this app, you're gonna get this screen. Welcome to the App Store. Press the blue continue button once. Now they'll ask you if you want personalized ads. This means that the iPad will analyze which apps you're using most and try to recommend apps that are similar to those or similar to your hobbies or your fields of interest. If you want this, select turn on personal ads. If you don't like this, select turn off personal ads. I'll select. Then it will ask for permission to use your location. This could be very useful depending which apps you intend to download, since some of them are specific to your location. Some apps are just available in your city, for example. And the App Store simply wants to know where you're located so it can recommend to you those apps. I'll select allow while using this app. And now we are on the App Store. There's many different apps, and to browse through them you have multiple choices. You have Today here. These are just a selection of apps that Apple decided to show you to you. You have Games by selecting Games on the bottom of the screen here. This will only display games and not any other sort of app. You have Apps, which is all the apps except games. Then we have Arcade, not many people you will use that. And we have Search. If you want to search for a specific app, let's say you want Facebook, click on Search and then click on top here, the search bar, and type the app you want to download, Facebook, and bam, Facebook will appear here. If you do not see it, simply go down and it should be down below. Let's say I want this one, I'll click on it. And I'll have multiple screenshots here just to make sure this is what I want. I can even go down to see some reviews. And when you want to get an app, you're going to see the get button right here on the top right corner. This is where you need to press once. And now it will ask you to input your Touch ID on the fingerprint reader right over here, Touch ID on the side. Or if you don't have this Touch ID set up, it will ask the password of your iPad. It's very important that your Apple ID or Apple account is linked to the iPad, so you're already logged in, because without an Apple ID or Apple account, you won't be able to download any apps. I'll press this. It will start downloading and installing. You don't have to do anything. You have here the small status bar. You can go ahead and browse for any other apps. You can even exit the App Store while an app is downloading. It's not important to keep it open. On the home screen of your iPad, you're going to see the app and a status bar showing you how much time is left until you can use that new app that you just downloaded. So in my case, I just have to wait a bit more. Okay, perfect. The app is completely downloaded and installed. If you want to delete any apps that you have downloaded, okay, simply press on it like this. You need to select remove app. And then you have multiple options. You're going to have delete app or remove from home screen. Delete app will completely erase it from your iPad. This means that all your personal data regarding this app will be deleted. If you select remove from home screen, it simply means that you won't see it on your home screen, but the app will still remain installed on your iPad, ready to be launched at any time. So if you want to delete it, select delete app, delete, and it will disappear. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.